Let's go over proof of the Pythagoras theorem. Let's name the sides A, B, and C as you see on the screen. This makes the length of one side of the square A plus B. The area of the big square is A plus B squared. The area of one triangle is half A times B, so the area of all four triangles is 2A times B. The area of the little square is C squared. However, the area of the little square is also the area of the big square minus the four triangles. You'll also come to find that sine squared plus cosine squared is equal to 1. This will come in handy later. Don't be scared shitless by the notation. Just remember that sine is equal to the opposite over the hypotenuse and cosine is the adjacent over the hypotenuse. It is important to know that with non-right-angled triangles, the angle and sides with the same letter are opposite and don't touch, like you see here. Let us now go over proof of the cosine rule. Say we made a right-angled triangle out of this one and wanted to find length A as we only have length B, length C and angle A. Remember your trig rules to find the lengths D and E. Let's call these sides D and E, and consider the overall triangle with sides D, B and E. We can convert D and E into terms of A, B and C. This makes the other yellow side B cos A minus C. We can use Pythagoras to find the side A using the yellow sides which form a right-angled triangle, and there you will have it. remembering that sine squared plus cosine squared is 1. Notice how the equation is in terms of a, b and c only, as though the other parts never even existed. Let's do something similar for the sine rule. Let's take a triangle and split it into two, with the middle side being called x. Let's find x in terms of other sides. For the one on the left, x over b is sine a, which makes x b times sine a. For the one on the right, sine b is x over a, which means x is equal to a sine b. As they are both equal to x. This means a sine b is equal to b sine a. But what about when 2D just isn't good enough? Alrighty, it's literally just a case of using Pythagoras loads of times. How deep are your snipes?
Take the shot. I say take the shot. I can't, I may hit ones. Take the blood. Shots, 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 shots. Everybody! Shot.